What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we have a wrap up video of the Fulton show that I went to the previous weekend. Fun show. It's actually a really awesome show. I really enjoy it. And here is the flyer right here. Really good show. I actually really do look forward for the show every single year. It is actually the 32nd annual. Really awesome show. They always have a good turnout. And the people that run it they're so awesome. They had over 260 plus models this year. It's actually a little bit less than last year. Last year they had over 300, but still, it was a good turnout. And just the whole overall thing was awesome. So I got some stash ads. I got some cool aftermarket parts I want to show you. I'm not really going to show you the awards because it just takes a good part of my video. But here's all the awards I got. I got 4. I'll put the picture of the cars that I got them on your screen. So there's that. But I want to get to the aftermarket parts. I want to show you what I got and stuff. First things first is I got decal sheet, and well, the reason why I got this decal sheet was actually for these stars. The stars, I think the rat rod would be pretty cool. These are pretty cool. The navy's pretty cool. But the reason why I got this decal sheet is because I want to do a hot rod, or basically a rat rod type deal, but with like a military theme. Because I've seen people do this all the time with the DVL 32 or 29 Model A Roadster or the 30 Ford. I want to do like a military theme and just weather it out, you know, make it dusty, rusty, or whatever. So that's why I got this decal sheet. It's I only got for $5 something, $5.50. So really cool. So I got that. Another thing for aftermarket is another vendor actually had a bunch of model car garage for like NASCAR vents, or basically grills. So this one's for the Monte Carlo, 95 Monte Carlo. He had the other ones here. He had a 90 Lincoln kit. There we go. That's pretty cool. And then what's this? Another T-Bird, 95 T-Bird. Another Monte Carlo. You know, Monte Carlo is pretty popular, so I got 2 of those. This I thought was pretty interesting. This is actually the front lip that goes right here. So he had 2 of these, but I just got 1 because I'm not sure if I want to use it or not. But that's pretty cool. I got all these for about $25, which is not a bad deal because literally this would have been like 35, maybe $40 almost. So pretty cool. Got some NASCAR grills. Those always come in handy and just spice your builds quite a bit. So that's pretty neat. And one of the main reasons why I love and look forward to this swap meet to the show is Detail Master. Detail Master is based, just in case you don't know, they are based in New York, and they go to the show every single year. They also go to N.Y.S, but I love Detail Master stuff. I got a lot of stuff, and I spent the most money there at their booth. All this, I think, was like $85. Yeah, it adds up. But it's really amazing. So we got some NASCAR stock truck grills, because I do have 2 trucks in my stash. That comes in handy. That's actually really nice. So we got 2. We got 1 of those, and then we got another T-Bird, but this is for a different year. T-Bird. So that's pretty cool. This one's actually really neat. I love that. So that's actually gonna come in handy. I got 1 of those. I got another set of these Vasky stacks, the small ones. I can't have too many of those. I mean, that's pretty cool. So just got 1 of those. I do have like 2 or 3 of them in my drawer. I figured pick up another one. I had to get another set of Breaded Line. This is number 5. This is like a medium fit thickness. This is good for radiator hoses and stuff. So that's pretty cool. I got other thicknesses in my bin as well, but picked that one up. This I thought was pretty neat. Interior junk. Look at this, includes like sunglasses, wrenches. There's even coat hangers in there. Like literally interior junk. I thought that was pretty cool. I was like, dude, I gotta get that. So forks, silverware. That's pretty neat. So I figured get that. That's pretty cool. These are interior gauge cluster like rounds. That's actually really cool. It also has some gauge cluster decals in there. So that's pretty cool. I figured get that. I think they have like 2 or 3 different versions of this. I just got the 1. I got the number 1 set. So got that. We got the radiator caps. Those always come in handy. I can always 3D print those, but the photo edge just looks a million times better, to be honest. So we got those. Look at that. That's so cool. Then we got some coolant little hoses. I got 2 of those because those actually come in handy. So gotta love those. Fire extinguisher. This is really cool. Really neat for like stock cars or any kind of race car. This is actual aluminum. That's actually really cool. I got 2 of those. Yeah, I got 2 of those. So that's pretty neat. Then last I got is N.Y.S bottles. N.Y.S. We got all the photo edge. I got the bracket, photo edge, and stuff. But that's really cool. So I got plans for all that stuff. So yeah, 85 bucks I think it was. It adds up. I mean, but it's really cool. It's all photo edge. You know, photo edge is, you know, it's pricey, but it makes your builds a lot nicer and more detailed and all that good stuff. Let's move on to some kits. I didn't get too many. I got a lot of NASCAR, especially NASCARs that are kind of hard to get. You know, they're kind of pricey. Like at Mike's decals, like 30 plus bucks for these. But I got all these NASCAR kits for only 10 bucks each. We got a Pontiac. I believe this is like a 2000 and 2001 body style Pontiac. This is pretty cool, a low Home Depot version. That's pretty cool. So figured get this one. They're all open, but they're sealed inside. I hate this box style. It's just a pain to work with, but yeah, pretty cool. I got Pontiac Home Depot version, and then I got 3 of the same kits. We have 3 of these. We got the 01 Monte Carlo. This is a Dale Earnhardt Jr. Budweiser car. We got 3 of these because literally these are 35 to 40 bucks on eBay and at Mike's Decals. So I don't know why, but yeah, he was selling for 10 bucks. So I literally legitimate got 3 of them. So there's one. I figured, you know, because you can get different drivers for them. So, you know, why not? So stack up. He had 4 of them there, but I just kept 1 there just in case someone else actually wanted it. But 3 is good enough. I mean, they're gonna hold me for a good minute. And then the last one I got at the show is actually the guy that runs the Syracuse show, the actual like mini Nashville Syracuse. He was there. And I had to get this. Cliff was with me. He goes, "Dylan, this is calling your name. This is like, oh, this just screams my name." Infinity. Let's go ahead and get you guys out here. Yeah, look at this. We got an Infinity. This thing is cool. This is really. There's not that many Infinity kits out there. I don't think I've ever seen an Infinity kit. He gave this to me for 15 bucks. He was regularly selling it for 35, but he said just take it down. 15 bucks is all yours, because he knows me. I help him run the Syracuse show, and dude, this is a cool kit. It's Fujimi. Fujimi makes it. I never even knew there was even a Infinity kit out there, but this thing is really insane. You got left and right hand drive dashboards, and nice interior. Body is really incredible. I mean, this is a really cool kit. So I told him I'm gonna get this done before the Syracuse show. He said, okay, I'm looking forward to it. So I always keep my promises. So we'll get this done before the Syracuse show next year. It's really a nice, quick, easy build. It's curbside, so this should be pretty cool. Like I said, you never even see Infinity. Actually, I know if I've ever seen an Infinity model kit. I mean, there might be a few out there, but I've never seen one. So that's what made me get this kit. But alright, guys, that's it at the Fulton show. A really awesome show. Hung out with a bunch of old guys and older people that I met before, older folks, and newer guys I met. I talked to them, and it was a really awesome show. Really had a good time. And if you haven't seen my slideshow of the actual show, I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. It's a really good show. I absolutely do love it, and I always look forward to next year. Next year's theme for it is actually 60 year anniversary of Hemi. So anything with a Hemi engine in it is the next year's theme. This year's theme was the Chevy Camaro, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, always look forward to it. I'm more looking forward to it next year. And they were actually going to cancel the show 5 years ago, but we said no, don't cancel it. So I'm really glad they keep doing it, and they're going to do it next year, which is super cool. So looking forward to next year. But alright, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you guys next time.